Boys and girls, today I'm going to share with you how you can calculate your own percentage score on all of your classwork, especially your math work. So I am in Google Chrome and I am going to type in here calculator and hit enter. Now to calculate your percentage score, you are going to take the number of problems that you got correct out of the total number of problems. So on many of your Scholastic Study Jams, there are 7 possible problems. If you got 2 wrong, that means that you scored 5 correct. That means you have a score of 5 out of 7. To calculate the percentage score, you take the number that you got correct, 5, and you divide that by the total number of problems, 7. Hit enter, and it gives you this long decimal. Well, the word percent literally means out of 100. So now what I'm going to do with this decimal that is in my answer screen is I'm going to say times 100 to make it a percent equals. And there's still this long decimal on the end, which we are going to use only to round to the nearest whole number. To round to the nearest whole number, I will look only at the tenths place, the first decimal place to the right of the decimal. Here it's a 4. When it is 5 or higher, you round the whole number up. If it is less than 5, you leave the whole number alone. Since 4 is less than 5, the percentage score is 71%. Let's try another one now. Let's say that you had an assignment and it was out of 23 points. You got 5 wrong. 23 minus 5 is 18. So you got 18 out of 23 correct. You take the number that you got correct, 18, divide it by the total number of points possible, 23. Hit equals. Again, there's this long decimal, but percent means out of 100. So to make it a whole number, we're going to multiply by 100. It equals again. Now remember, we want to round to the nearest whole number. The whole numbers are the parts to the left of the decimal. The decimal is to the right of the decimal place. Since the first place, the tenths place to the right of the decimal is less than 5, my whole number stays the same. In this case, the percentage score would be just the whole number you see here, 78%. Let's try one more just to make sure you've got it. Let's do another Scholastic Study Jams. Let's say that I had a study jam, 7 points possible, got 1 wrong, so that's a total score of 6 correct out of 7. Take the number correct, divide by the total number of points possible, hit equals, multiply by 100, it equals again. Use the tenths place to round to the nearest whole number. Since the tenths place, the place immediately to the right of the decimal is 5 or higher, 7 is higher than 5, our whole number will round up. After 85 comes 86, so the score is 86% on this particular assignment.